So this video is about the levels of learning. I've been helping students study for finals, and this topic has come up a lot. So I want to make a video about it because I think it's very helpful when we're trying to understand how much we need to study and when we're done studying. So these are 6 levels, and we start down here with remember. And if you kind of think of this as the bottom floor, and then you're climbing up these little ladders, and you need to go across it, and then up, and across, and up, and across. So as you're moving up the levels, you're doing different types of studying. So remembering might just be basic flashcards. Understanding is kind of maybe putting those flashcards together and expanding a little bit. Applying is how do I take this knowledge and then do something with it, like solve a math problem, or how do I kind of expand on these in an essay form. Analyze is using all 3 of these to then really extract information, and then evaluate is a more advanced form of analysis, and then eventually we create. These top 2 levels are generally done mostly in college. Some AP classes will do this, and you'll move a little bit trickly up into them, but it's not a lot. So mostly high school covers these. It's important to get these down so as you move into college you can flow up very nicely. So a lot of students that I have just get really stuck in this remembering, because this is what a lot of what we do in junior high and elementary school is we focus a lot on just remembering, because we're building this foundation of knowledge you're then going to move up into as you get into more advanced classes. So I really have to help students remember that this is not where you stop, because it depends on what level you're learning at, depends on what level you need to study at. So I'm going to put a link in the blog post about how to find this, and I've made a nice little chart so you can see the verbs. So sometimes remembering, what we need to do is just find the information, or we need to make flashcards. And I list ideas of how you can study for each level. It's a nice way of really assessing what you're doing and where you need to go. If you have any questions, email me, Jessica@DIYhomework.com.